Kessler from Walsh Jesuit High School, and this section is on literal equations. So first you have to know what a literal equation is. And there are equations where you solve for a letter or a variable, not a number. So for instance, if you have solve for A, that means that we want to get A by itself in this problem. So you just solve like normal, but get A by itself. So what you want to do is subtract 3x on both sides. So these cancel on the left. My answer is A equals 44 minus 3x. And that's my final answer because 44 and 3x are not like terms. So you cannot combine them. So A equals 44 minus 3x is my final answer. Let's try another one. Solve for R. So our R is right there. So what you need to do is you have C equals 2 pi R. So what we need to do is get R by itself by dividing by 2 pi. So my answer is C over 2 pi, these cancel out, equals R. That's it. That's your final answer. Let's try a little bit more difficult one. Now we have solve for V, where D equals M over V. Now the difficult part with this is that V is in the denominator. So if you think about it, we have fractions and we don't like fractions. So you multiply by your least common denominator, which is V on this side. Or another way that you can think about it is cross multiply. So D times V, dV equals M times 1, which is just M. Or you could thought about by multiplying by V on both sides, and our V's cancel and we get the same thing. Now we're still trying to solve for V, so here we have D times V. Opposite of multiplication is division, so divide by D on both sides. The D's cancel out on the left, you get V equals M over D. There you go, that is my final answer. Alright, let's try another one. We've got solve for T, and we have A equals P plus PRT. Now, our T is right there. So we need to get this T by itself. So that means that we need to get rid of everything else that's with it. So first we want to focus on this first P right here. Okay? So you want to subtract P on both sides. Just think of it as if it were a number. So we have A minus P, these cancel, equals PRT. Now we have P times R times T. We want to get T by itself, so you divide by everything you don't want, which is PR. So these cancel out. So you have A minus P all over PR equals T. Now, you cannot cancel these P's out right here because it is part of a sum or a difference up on top. So this is my final answer. A minus P over PR equals T. It's my final answer for this question. So, if you have any questions, please stop in the math office or email me at kestersE@walshjesuit.org. I'll see you tomorrow.